Okay, listen carefully. The topic is leadership is about taking responsibilities, not making excuses. Leadership is about taking responsibilities, not making excuses. Leadership जो होती है वो जिम्मेदारी लेने की होती है, बहाने बनाने की. Leadership is about taking responsibilities, not making excuses. Stop.
Have a great Assalamualaikum to all of you. Walaikum Assalam. Starting with the greatest Almighty name of Allah, who is the most merciful, most beneficial. Then I pay thanks to my parents who encouraged me to come here. Then I would like to pay great thanks to my greatest number one teacher, who is none other than Sir Muhammad Sultan Rashid. Clap out. Then I would like to provide my today's golden caption, that is, leadership is about taking responsibility, not to make about excuses. Yes, of course, definitely leadership is what? First of all, I want to clear you that what is the meaning of leader. Leader is the meaning of leader who shows you the way and who goes you the way. And this is what that our teacher told always teach that we should be, if you are given responsibility to about something, so you should give your 100% to that. You should not sacrifice, or you should not be as much laziness. You should not be thinking about that now today I'm tired and I should procrastinate it on tomorrow. So it doesn't show that you are a leadership. Leadership means that it means that if someone is given responsibility to you, so you should fulfill that at any condition of your life, no matter whatever happens, because the excuses can make everyone can make, but the leader is only the one person who is very different and who have even he is also the human being. He is the same human being that he have that much courage, but he is not making excuses like you. So you should not like that you are making excuses. You should, if under your leadership, if something is happening bad, so you should stop that time, because it doesn't mean that you should stop at that time, because if you are listening it silently, so you are a very biggest person in this world, because you are the biggest person in this world. And if I talk about that responsibility, what is the meaning? Responsibility is mean that if someone is giving responsibility to you, so you should give your 100%. If that person trust on you and that person on their absence, you should fulfill that your responsibility. So leadership is mean that leadership means like the responsibility, not to make excuses. Excuses makers are never ever become anything in their life. If you have excuse on your mouth, so you can't become anything in your life. And if I talk about that, you should think that what to talk and what to talk and where to talk and when to talk. If you have this type of quality, so you can become a successful person. But if you are a leader, so you should be always unique person in your life, because in this world everyone is talking about others. You should talk about, if you are also talking about the others, that they are also doing the same thing, that what is the difference between you and them. You should make yourself as like that people remember by your name, because this is always said that by your name you can get your game. So by your name you can definitely your game. Okay, so if I talk about, so you should make your game as like that someone if you should make yourself as like if someone misses you, or if someone is talking bad, fighting you, or if someone is talking bad about you, so if you pass from that, so that person should be afraid from you. That person.
Clap louder for this.
If you tell them the reason why you are putting blaming him, the one who are blaming the front one, they are not a leader. The one who blame themselves and they correct them and they show them they are what they say. They are a leadership, and leadership comes from the garage. Leadership comes who can kill the fear inside the heart. It is not matter how you are teacher. It's really someone has come who tell you come on 350. You are telling to them that she is your student. Who the hell that they are telling to you? That's really next. First of all, they give you awareness, give you what it is, give you what destination, give you west and give your eyes for the keep your eyes fear in the heart of the people, that they cannot tell you that who are you, that even if someone they are telling you and coming here that you can come 3 or 50 and you are telling him that why you should come to there. That you are giving each other the what we should do and what we should say and what we should learn.